My eyebrows were in desperate need of a cleanup, so I decided that I was going to film this video on my easy, tweezy way of cleaning up my eyebrows at home. First, I start off by cleaning my face, and then I just take a little bit of alcohol on a napkin and sanitize my eyebrow. After that, I take a spoolie and brush my eyebrow hairs in the direction that they naturally lay. The key to easy tweezing is oil, so I oversaturate my eyebrow with oil before I even begin to tweeze, because you want the pore of the hair to be open, and when it has nothing on it, it is super closed, so the oil helps open it up, so that way it's super easy and painless to pull out. When I am putting the oil on my eyebrows, I also make sure to use my finger to brush my eyebrow hairs in the direction that I want them to lay. This makes it so much easier to find out where I want my arch to be when I'm tweezing. So I basically just start off at the bottom and hold my arch at the top and kind of clean up the bottom, and then go to the top and clean up the top. Once I'm all done tweezing the hairs, I then just take the same napkin and some alcohol and go ahead and wipe the oil off of my brows, and then I move on to the next side and do the exact same thing. And once I'm done tweezing both brows, I do go ahead and wash my face with my facial cleanser, just because I did put alcohol on my eyebrows. Some may have gotten on my eyelids. So just to make sure that I have those alcoholic chemicals off of my face, I do give my face a nice cleanse, and then I'm good to go for the next 2 to 4 weeks.